Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 19, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 9th row, 10th row, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. 3rd row and 6th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is from here. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is from here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is from here. Then 1 is here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 3rd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is from here. 5th row, column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is from here. 6th row, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is from here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade and 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 3rd grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 7. 7th row, 6th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 1. Column E also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 6. 5th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 5th row and 4th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number are remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column C, only one number are remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, only one number are remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 9. Column G, we already got 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. Third row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. Column G, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Third row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.